hear a loud scream. That is Mom! Oh! What is happening? I need to see! Mom, are you okay? Bill, I am so sad. My ring is gone. I cannot find it.
Which ring, Mom? It has a pink ruby. I love it so much. I cannot wear it anymore.
Mom, do not worry. I will help you worry. We will find it together.
Oh, it is not under the cabinet. It is not in the closet. I look everywhere, but I cannot find it.
I checked the clothes. Huh? Good. But it is not here.
We still cannot find the ring. My ring is really gone. Mom, do you think a thief took it?
That is not possible. Only the ring is gone.
This is not good. Detective Bill must act now.
Mom, please trust me. Wait for me. I will come back soon.
I need to get ready. This outfit makes me feel like a real detective. I am back, Mom. You look so cute, Bill. Okay, let us get back to the case.
Mom, can I use your makeup powder?
Yes, here you go. Oh, ha! I saw this on TV before. Let me try this.
Mom, look! There is a footprint here.
This footprint looks familiar. And it is Lucky's footprint.
Maybe Lucky saw the shiny ring and took it. And he may hide it in a secret place.
But how can we find that place?
Let me think. I have an idea. This is for Lucky. Oh, Lucky, come here. I have a tasty bone for you. Whoa, good boy, Lucky. Are you sure Lucky will hide it? Yes, I am sure. I saw him do it before.
Look! Lucky is taking the bone.
Come on, let us follow him.
Where is Lucky going? I don't know. I thought Lucky was in the garden, but no. Wow, he goes behind the hill. Look, he is digging. The ring may be there. Let's wait until he leaves. Now is the time. Let's dig here. Let's dig here. Let's dig here. Oh, this is my blue sock. And this is my beach sandal. Oh, Lucky.
Let us find the ring. Oh no, the ring is not here.
It is okay, Mom. Let's go home. Maybe we find more clues. But we need to cover the hole first.
My ring is really gone. I think I lost it forever. Mom, do not be sad. We can still find it. I think we missed something. Mom, look! There are cookie crumbs here. Oh, who likes chocolate cookies? Is Dad.
Maybe Dad took the ring by mistake.
Yes, that is possible.
I will call Dad.
He is not answering. Oh, no! Mom, Dad left his phone at home.
Today is the weekend. Maybe he is in the park.
Let's go and find him.
This coffee is nice. I will go to the bookstore. Okay. See you later. Goodbye, sir. See you again.
Dad! Where are you? Dad! Where are you?
Honey? Tony, where are you?
Excuse me, did you see my dad?
He just left. He went to the bookstore.
Thank you. Mom! Oh! Mama! Dad left the park and he went to the bookstore. Okay, go to the bookstore fast.
Do you have a good detective book? Go to row 2 and turn left.
I will take this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Dad, are you here?
Tony.
Did you see my dad?
Uh-huh. He left 5 minutes ago.
Thank you. Mom, the bookstore owner said Dad left 5 minutes ago. I am so tired. I do not know where he is.
Where should we go now?
Let us go home and wait for Dad. We are home!
Oh, Dad, we finally found you!
What is wrong?
Did you see my pink ruby ring?
No, I did not see it.
But I saw your cookie crumbs on the table.
Oh, I ate cookies there this morning, and I read the newspaper.
Oh no. Oh no.
Maybe the ring is really gone. I think I will never wear it again. I am sorry, Mom. I cannot find your ring. It is okay, honey. You did your best. You are a good boy.
Mom, I am very happy today. What is it, my dear? My friend said this pink ring is very pretty. It goes well with my dress. I feel so special. But it is a little big for me.
That is my pink ruby ring.
Yes, I saw it on your table, but I thought it looked nice with my pink dress, so I wore it.
Anna, why did you not ask me first?
We looked for it all day. It is Mom's favorite ring.
I thought it was pretty. I did not know Mom would be worried. I am sorry. I did not know.
It is okay, but next time you must ask first before you take something.
Yes, I remember. Thank you, Mom. Here is your ring, Mom.
Thank you, Anna. I am happy to have it back.
Mom, the ring looks so beautiful on you.
Thank you, honey.
Do you think that Detective Bill is smart today? Please comment below and share your thoughts. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to watch my next story. Bye-bye!